all seen Justin, right?
Yeah,
He's
he's
fine.
pretty cute. He ain't that good. I prefer
Nice.
black guys.
But you're mixed.
So.
Um,
Hey, hello.
I can see you.
Who is this?
Your mom.
My mom's dead, thank you.
I don't see anybody in the window.
So who is this?
Because you're what? Half visible?
Is your what? A juice bag?
Because I'm going to gut you like this.
Oh, so you now scream?
Harmful. You see anybody?
I don't play those games.
Considering that I have a knife at the door.
Really?
Right
My
now,
dad's a cop.
I would cut him too.
I don't go.
Oh, we're scared. Goodbye.
Oh, am I supposed to be scared?
We are. I don't know about you, but you sis.
Really? Really? Hang on, guys.
Are y'all really scared of that? It's just.
It's
No,
just
it's
Justin.
not. It is not.
It's Justin. It's not
It
Justin.
is not.
Justin don't play around like that. Justin likes to make out. It's a demon.
Justin, what do you want?
It's Toby.
Toby?
It's just Justin, guys. Get him out. This is not Justin. You're not Justin. I know how to use this. I used you. Excuse me, but what kind of Justin are you? You are. Oh my God, you're not a Justin. We know. Matter of fact, I don't. I don't know you, and I don't think I want to know you. Get out. No. You can gut her. We don't care.